to two places actually. So the first one we're going to is Wells Grey. And then the next one is, I think, White Court. So keep watching, stay tuned, and hit that subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and break that thumbs button. So bye.
Hello again guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So yes, travel with me today at Wells Grey Provincial Park. Let's go chase iconic waterfalls of Wells Grey. Let's uncover the mystical places that romantics, adventurers, and photographers come here to find. With 41 named waterfalls and counting, and even more tucked in the wilds, discover why Wells Grey is also known as the land of waterfalls. In ancient volcanoes and slow-moving glaciers carve the rivers and lakes that fuel the park's waterfalls. You'll hear the roar of the falls long before you can see cascading water tumbling over lichen-drenched boulders, making its way downstream. Almost half the named falls are found in the corridor, mere minutes from Clearwater Valley Road. First stop is the Saphat Creek Falls, or also called the Saphat Falls. It is a waterfall on Saphat Creek within Wells Grey Provincial Park of British Columbia, Canada. 6 meters or 197 feet tall, but taking into account the second tier, it is close to 75 to 80 meters tall, and it is a popular stop for tourists and especially motor coach tours since it's only 10 kilometers off the BC Yellowhead Highway. This creek rises from snow melt and springs at the pass between Raft Mountain and Trophy Mountain. It flows 15 kilometers west before tumbling over Saphat Falls and entering the Clearwater River. The Saphat is the First Nations term for bear, and the stream was long known as Bear Creek. When the first accurate topographic map of the Clearwater Valley was published in 1953, it is labeled the stream as Bear Creek and the falls as Saphat Creek Falls. The main trail from the parking lot to the falls viewing platform takes about 5 minutes walk, and an alternate and slightly longer trail goes from the parking lot along the edge of Saphat Creek Canyon and joins the main trail. And a scenic trail starts at the viewing platform and goes north along the rim of Granite Canyon. It is a 20-minute walk to the Clearwater Valley Overlook. Return the same way or follow the access road back to the parking lot. And a short trail from southeast corner of the parking lot follows Saphat Creek upstream to a small loop trail originally built as a nature trail for the former campground. And a 5-minute walk leads to a stand of impressive old-growth red cedar trees. The bottom of Saphat Falls is a strenuous scramble that starts at the viewing platform and quickly descends 300 meters. Don't go during May and June when the canyon is very wet and the creek may be in flood. The Clearwater River Trail is 17 kilometers one way and can be accessed at several points for a shorter hike. And a trail to the Saphat Natural Bridge starts 1.5 kilometers south of the viewpoint turnoff and takes less than 30 minutes away each way, and the trailhead is not signed and the trail is rough and steep.
Nagtabo naman noon. Wala na yung makita. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hi.
We're here in the falls. Waterfall. This one's really high. Taller than the Niagara Falls. Used to be a volcano too.
Hindi clear. Ay, asay mo cellphone.
During our stop, it was a little bit foggy, but we waited for a little while and the view became clear and we had a very clear view of the Saphat Falls. It was very truly an amazing waterfalls and an amazing experience for us and for my kids. The view was so amazing and so beautiful, and we wanted to chase more iconic waterfalls here at Wells Grey Provincial Park, British Columbia. But due to time constraints, we have to head back to Alberta, and we still have like 5 hours drive going back. So yes, we have to have a quick stop for a quick lunch here at the parking area, and we are heading home. So probably next summer we will be back here and chase more waterfalls because there is a lot to see. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell for new uploads and to keep you updated for all our travel vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget, be safe and stay healthy. Bye guys, and see you on my next travel vlogs.